Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 6 ways to earn money with ChatGPT. So in this video we learn in details about how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. And here is our 6th way. So let's jump into our main video in first topic. So what is the first way? So first way is content writing. You can do content writing from ChatGPT, and to write content you use ChatGPT. So how can use this? So now we can go on ChatGPT, and here you see the interface of ChatGPT. In this box, prompt box, you enter some text or prompt or comment, then ChatGPT give you your desired content. So here is some example. If you can do this type of simple just prompt to get content. Look, here I write what is digital marketing, write a content on digital marketing. Okay, and then here is detailed prompt. So what is this prompt? Write 1000 words content on digital marketing using these keywords: digital marketing agency, digital marketing company, digital marketing course, digital marketing institute, digital marketing jobs Berlin, digital marketing jobs Hamburg, digital marketing jobs in Germany, digital marketing manager. So this is the keyword, and when you select your topic, you can choose or analyze your topic related keyword, and then you can use it to your content. So this is just a dummy prompt. You can always optimize or organize your prompt as you can or as your desire. So when you enter this prompt, ChatGPT give you a detailed content based on your prompt. So this is great way to you can use ChatGPT to earn from writing content. And when you're writing content, where you can sell this? You can sell your content in freelance marketplace or other any company. So you can use Fiverr, Upwork or freelancer to sell your service. You can also do or create your own website and then write content for this. And then you can earn from your website to add AdSense on your site. Next, you can solve doubts and earn money. And how is this possible? So solve doubt means earn money by answering questions online. So here is some websites like Presto Experts, Check, Just Answer, Maven, School Solver, Experts 123, Topper, Help All. So which is this website or what is this? Okay, so in this website you can find many questions and you just do answer them. To solve this question you can earn money. So now we can visit Presto Experts. Okay, so now I am going to Presto Experts. So I just type Presto Experts and hit enter button. Then Presto Experts, here online expert services. Okay, so when you open this website you can find many question and answer. Then we can open Check, get 24/7 homework help, rent textbooks. Okay, so here is your all details. You can learn from more from this. So from this website you can find many questions and just you answer these questions. How you can find this question? You just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to answer these questions and just put this here. Okay, so here is the list of others website: Just Answer, Maven, School Solver, Experts or Topper, etc. Okay, so our next way. Next, you can create a faceless YouTube channel to make money. So what is faceless YouTube channel? Faceless YouTube channel means you do not need to show your face on video or on a YouTube video. So how can you create this channel? You can create this channel in some niche like health and fitness, travel, investment, business, technology, book summary, motivation, psychology, etc. So when you create a faceless YouTube channel, you need script to generate your video. So where you can find your script? If you create video, you need all script or all videos script. So it is easy to you to find the script from ChatGPT. Here I write just simple prompt to get a script from ChatGPT. Look, create me a 10-minute interesting YouTube script on how to lose belly fat in 3 months. So if I copy this and enter it to ChatGPT then write a script for this topic's video. So first you need to find your niche. That means your niche would be health and fitness, travel, investment, business, technology, and then you continuously create video on one niche. Okay, so here is just dummy prompt. You can modify it or optimize it. Our next way, you can create email marketing campaigns. So when you create email marketing campaigns, you can earn a lot of money. So how? And what is email marketing? Email marketing means we use email to digital marketing or send email for a marketing purpose. Okay, so in digital marketing field, all day we need to send all or use a number of email. So you need to create this. So when you can create these emails from help of ChatGPT, you can create many lots of email. So here is one simple prompt. You can use ChatGPT to create email. Look, just simple prompt is create me a marketing email to sell perfumes to women under the age 30 in Canada. That means I asked ChatGPT to create a marketing email to sell perfume to women under the age 30 in Canada. Okay. So when you work as an email marketer for a company or a freelancer, then you can create this type of email or related email. So you can use ChatGPT to create this copy. So this is the right way. Next topic. Next way, writing books. You can write books and earn money. So when you write books, where you can sell them. Okay. So you can create Amazon KDP ebook and then sell this. So what is Amazon KDP? So we are going to Amazon KDP. Just Amazon. We just search Amazon KDP, and then you look self-publishing, Amazon Kindle direct publishing. Okay. So here you can sell your ebook. So how can you do this? Okay, so you can just enter prompt on ChatGPT, create a short moral based story for kids on honesty, and this prompt would be many types or optimized your own thinking or your own topic. So just it's a simple dummy prompt. Okay, so you can write Amazon KDP book and then you can sell it to Amazon Kindle. Okay, so here is the Amazon KDP's interface. First you need to sign in or join in. If you have an account, you need to sign in, or if you are new, you click here join KDP. Okay, so here you need to your name, email, password, and then create your KDP. Okay, so next way, our next way, you can be a social media manager. You can earn money from social media manager. And how or what can you do? Okay, when you become a social media manager, you manage your clients social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, WeChat, etc. Okay, so when you are a social media marketer, you can use ChatGPT to earn money and better your work and speed up your work. So how? You can write social media captions from ChatGPT. You can write blog post. You can provide customer services related answers and questions. Write product description, Instagram stories, email campaigns, Facebook post, Twitter threads, YouTube videos, product podcast scripts. Okay, so if a social media marketer use ChatGPT, he can do many more things with the help of ChatGPT. That means ChatGPT make easy our work. Okay, so that's the time to summary our video. In this video, we learn about 6 ways to make money with ChatGPT. So our first way is content writing. You will be a content writer, and then you can solve doubts by answering questions online and earn money. You can create a faceless YouTube channel. You can create email marketing campaigns as a marketer. Then you can write ebooks, and you can be a social media manager. Okay, so see you in next video. Till then, take care.